are counting down the top 10 fighter jets in the world in 2023. Number 10 Russia. On our list is the Sukhoi Su-35, a multi-role fighter known for its maneuverability. Coming in at number 9 is the Chengdu J-20, a stealth fighter aircraft developed by China. At number 8, we have the Eurofighter Typhoon, a European collaborative project designed for air superiority. The Dassault Rafale, a French-made twin-engine fighter jet, takes the 7th spot on our list. Moving on to number 6, we have the F-85E Strike Eagle, an American all-weather fighter capable of ground attacks. Five goes to the F-35 Lightning II, a 5th-generation stealth aircraft produced by Lockheed Martin. At the halfway mark, we have the Su-57, a Russian stealth fighter with advanced avionics and weapon systems. The Fa-18EF Super Hornet, an upgraded version of the classic Hornet, takes the 4th spot on our list. The F-22 Raptor, an air dominance fighter produced by the United States, claims the 3rd place. Number 2, we have the Just 39 Gripen, a Swedish-made fighter jet known for its affordability and versatility. Finally, the top spot goes to the Chengdu J-10, a Chinese fighter jet with advanced aerodynamic features. These aircraft represent some of the most advanced technology and capabilities in the world of fighter jet. From speed and maneuverability to stealth and firepower, each jet brings something unique to the table. It's important to note that rankings can vary based on specific criteria and the opinions of experts. These fighter jets play a crucial role in ensuring national security and maintaining aerial superiority. Each country invests heavily in developing and upgrading their fighter aircraft to stay ahead in the arms race. The continuous advancements in technology will likely result in even more advanced fighter jets in the future. As we move into 2023 and beyond, it will be fascinating to see how these aircraft continue to evolve. So there you have it, the top 10